So I made $5,000 on YouTube with only 79 views. Yes, that might sound crazy, and I'll explain more in the video, but let me just repeat what I just said. I made $5,000 on YouTube with only 79 views. Now that might sound crazy. A lot of you guys probably have so many questions, like how did you do it? Was it through AdSense? Was it as a sponsorship? You know, how did you make $5,000 with only 79 views? And trust me, this video is not a clickbait. I made $5,000 literally from 79 views. And this is the video that made me that. But yeah, just before I get into that, if you're new watching this, let me explain who I am. So my name is Alim and I left the UK 11 months ago. I quit my job and I packed my bags and moved to Dubai. Now literally 11 months later, I now own my own six-figure coaching business. And essentially what I do is I help people set up their own info business where they can sell their skills and knowledge to high-ticket clients. And I scale them up to 10K a month within 3 months of working with me. Now if that's something that's interesting to you, you can either DM me on Instagram or you can click the link in the description and book in a call with me. And what we'll do is we'll jump on that call and I'll see if we're a good fit to work together. But yeah, let me explain to you guys how I made $5,000 with only 79 views. Now a lot of people, when they're making money off YouTube, right, they're worried about AdSense, they're worried about sponsorships, they're worried about views. A lot of people seem to think the more views you get, the more money you'll make. Now that's not entirely true, because I know people that have got like 100,000 views and they've not made $5,000. Because the reason why is because you're not setting up your YouTube channel to make you money. Now let me explain how this works, right? If you're using YouTube solely just to make money and you're just trying to make money off views and you're trying to make money off sponsorships, and I'll say you're probably limiting yourself by about 80%. You have to use YouTube for your business. So what business have I linked my YouTube to? So as I mentioned earlier, I run my own coaching business and I've scaled my coaching business to a six-figure business. And how do I get my clients for my coaching business? Well, you probably guessed it, through YouTube. Now I do run some paid ads. I do have some setters as well, but about 90 to 95% of my clients that I do get is through organic traffic. Now you can also include Instagram in there as well, because I do also use Instagram. However, my main driving force, my main platform that essentially brings me in a lot of clients is YouTube. And honestly, YouTube is one of the best social media platforms out there. If you are not using it for your business, you are literally killing so much revenue. So this video that you see right over here, this made me $5,000. And I'm going to break it down exactly how it made me $5,000. So AdSense, it basically made me nothing, right? I'm not even going to count it. Right now, the video's got a lot more views, but this was how many views I got when I actually made the money. So essentially that video got me some clients, and those clients were then converted on a call with me. Now I could also make more money, as some clients are pending, but essentially as of right now, it made me $5,000. And all I did was talk about how if you're broke, you're selfish. And I just basically talked about how if you're not trying to make money, then you're selfish, you don't care about people around you, and that you're not trying to get rich to help the people around you. Now I know that sounds a bit bold, I know that sounds a bit, over the top, but it worked. That video got me clients. So I essentially help people create their own personal brand, create YouTube videos just like the one I'm making right now, set up your videos in a certain way so you can start getting some clients. Now I don't just help you set up an info business on how to make money, right? A lot of people set up the info business very differently. Some people teach others how to play guitar, some people have like a mindset program, some people have like a fitness program. Again, it depends on your skills and what you're good at. And essentially I help my clients find out what skill they're good at, package it up into a program and help them sell it to potential clients, all through without spending any money on ads. Because honestly, ads are great, right, to scale and all that kind of stuff, but what I've noticed is that organic content is honestly the best way. Because with organic content, they see you, they hear you as a person, they understand what you're talking about, and they buy into you. Most people, when they buy a coaching program, they don't buy the coaching program because of the coaching program. They buy the coaching program because of the one who's selling it. And that's why people buy my coaching program, right? They buy essentially me because they buy my experience, they buy my skills, and because I basically managed to do everything in the last 11 months, I relate to a lot of people and they relate to me. And because of that relationship, I'm also able to get really good results for my clients. And not only that, right, when you create organic content, the trust is there, because we're now in a time where people don't trust people. If you can talk about a said subject for a long enough time, then that means you're authentic. That means people can buy into you, and people can see that, because there are a lot of people that try to fake things, but when it comes to long form content, very difficult to talk about things that you don't know about. And that's why people buy into you when you create long form content. Now, as I said earlier, YouTube is actually one of the best platforms to use, right? I mean, Instagram is great as well, don't get it twisted. Instagram is good, YouTube is good. Facebook, again, it depends on your niche. TikTok, I'd recommend staying away from. And you've got all these other platforms as well, but honestly, the best ones, YouTube, like up here, Instagram, like slightly over there. And these two platforms can really help you get so many clients. Now, if you're a content creator, right, and you're making, let's say, YouTube videos, you need to start thinking about having a business alongside your YouTube channel and using YouTube to essentially make you more money on your business. Because I made this mistake when I first started YouTube. I decided to make YouTube videos hoping that one day I'd blow up and then make a shit ton of money through AdSense. All I'm doing here is just relying on luck. Now, obviously, I understand how YouTube works. Now I understand that you could actually make much more money off YouTube if you decide to use it alongside your actual business. And just by creating content, I've been able to see some massive results. Now, I also made a video about how I made like $8,000 off 8 YouTube videos, right? Now that number is a lot higher, but I have made a video explaining how I managed to do that as well. And I will leave the link of the video at the end of this. But what I want you guys to understand, right? If you're not making content on YouTube, if you're not doing a side hustle, you're literally missing out on so much money. Guys, it's never been easier to make money. All you now have to do is pick up a laptop and you can start making money. A lot of people think it's complicated. A lot of people think, you know, they can't do it or they don't know how to do it. If you're in that position where you don't know how to make money online, my best advice to you is hire a mentor. Sign up to someone's coaching program. Now, obviously my coaching program is there as well, but if not me, join someone else's. My point is invest in yourself, because a lot of you guys, you know, when you don't know something, and let's say you even use YouTube or you try to get the information online, you still don't know how to do it, you just need someone to guide you. A lot of people get to that stage and then don't do anything. If you really need help, invest in yourself, hire a mentor, because that's literally what I did. Before I left the UK, I hired a mentor, and that's basically what's allowed me to scale my business to 6 figures, because the mentor obviously went through things that I haven't gone through yet, and he helped me avoid all the mistakes that he did to essentially fast track me to success. And that's what a mentor's job is. And a mentor will also keep you accountable as well. So honestly guys, there are no excuses for you not to make money, especially making money online. Over 150 years ago, it wasn't that easy to make a lot of money, right? You had very few people that actually made crazy amounts of money. And now with the internet, you've got 19-year-olds and 20-year-olds making millions and millions every year. I actually know a 15-year-old that's making $3,000 a day. $3,000 a day for a 15-year-old is crazy. So it just shows, right, how easy it is to make money nowadays. So if you're in your 20s, definitely start now. If you're in your 30s and 40s and you feel like you've missed out on all of this, it's never too late. Start now as well. And honestly guys, like, everyone can do this. There's no one that can't make money online. As I said, right, to get 79 views on YouTube is nothing. Anyone can do that. In fact, me getting 79 views, technically I can look at that and say the video underperformed. But I don't look at my videos on views anymore. I look at how much money it generates me. So that video generated me $5,000. So yeah, views wise, it didn't perform really well, but revenue wise, it made me a lot of money. So really and truly, was that video a flop? I don't think so. And trust me, this method is so much better than trying to create content on YouTube and waiting to blow up. Now, if I do somehow blow up and obviously a video goes viral, you can imagine how much money I can make. If 79 views got me $5,000, then 7,900 views theoretically should get me $500,000. Obviously, it doesn't always work like that. But I'm just trying to put it into perspective. 79 views to get $5,000 is actually crazy. And honestly, anyone can get 79 views on a YouTube video. So if I've inspired you guys and motivated you guys, make sure you start a YouTube channel, make sure you start an online coaching business, start creating videos, start building your personal brand, and you'll see the money just flooding in.